Today we will learn about input and output statements in C language. C language has a rich collection of input and output functions that performs input from standard input keyboard and output from the standard output devices such as functions known as console input-output functions. C includes a collection of header files for using various library functions. For using input and output library functions, header file name Studio H has been included in all C programs. Console input and output functions. These functions are used to receive input from keyboard and write the output to monitor, so these are called console input and output functions. Console input and output functions are of the two types: unformatted functions, formatted functions. Disk input and output functions. These functions are used to perform input and output operators on the disk. These are used to read data from disk file or to write data from the disk file. Port input and output functions. These functions are used to perform input and output operators on the various ports. Unformatted input and output functions. The data accepted or printed with the default settings by input and output functions in C language is called unformatted input and output data. Unformatted input and output functions are of the two types: character input and output functions and string input and output functions. Character input and output functions. GetChar. This function is used to read one character at the time from the standard input and output devices. Following are the example of the getChar function. getChe. This is also a single character input functions like getChar. It also reads one character at the time from standard input devices. The general syntax is character variable is equal to getChe. Following are the example of getChe. getCh. The function is also a single character input function. It also reads single character at the time from standard input devices. The general syntax is character variable is equal to getCh. Following are the example of getCh. Putchar. Putchar functions is used to display single character at the time on the computer screen. Character to be printed is passed as an argument to putchar functions. The general syntax is putchar bracket character variable bracket close. Following are the examples of the putchar. String input and output functions. Gets function. Gets function is used to read the string of the character from the standard input device. When you press the enter key, it will stop furthering reading and will be a new line character. Puts function. This function is used to output a string on the computer screen. The function is used to print a string consoled or the value of the character type array variable on the screen.
Formatted input and output functions. Formatted mean representing of data with the different settings as per the requirements. Formatted input and output functions are of the two types, scanf and the printf. Scanf. The function is used to input data from the user as per the format specified. This function can be used to read numeric values, single characters or strings. It is used to read the mixed type of the data from the standard input device. Following are the examples of the scanf function. If you like some other examples, please subscribe to our channel. Printf function. This function is used to output strings of character as well as numbers. This function is also used to deliver of the formatted output of any numbers of variables. If there is no variable to be printed, then control strings must be contained for formatting specifiers. Following are some examples of the printf statement.